Google just dropped something crazy and it's going to change how you code forever. I'm talking about Gemini and VS Code working together in ways that feel like science fiction. This isn't just another AI tool, this is a complete game changer. Today, I'm going to show you how to code faster, smarter, and with way less headaches. Let's go. So, here's what just happened. Google rolled out massive updates to Gemini Code Assist for VS Code. And I'm not talking about small tweaks, I'm talking about features that make coding feel like cheating, multiple chat sessions at once, checkpoint rollbacks that let you undo AI mistakes. And the big one, the CLI now talks directly to your editor. It knows what you're working on, it sees your code, it gives you suggestions in real time with diff views right inside VS Code. This is next level. And here's the crazy part. Most developers have no idea this exists yet. While everyone's talking about Copilot, Google quietly built something that might be even better. Gemini 2.5 is under the hood now. The code it writes is sharper, the suggestions are smarter, and the context awareness, it actually understands your entire code base now. Let me break down why this matters. You know how most AI coding tools just guess? They don't really know your project. They give you generic code that doesn't fit, not anymore. Gemini Code Assist now has local code base awareness. You can feed it your workspace, you can feed it specific files, it learns your style, it learns your patterns. The suggestions it gives you actually make sense for your project. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. All right, let's talk about the actual features because this is where it gets wild. First up, multiple chat sessions. You can run different conversations at the same time, one for debugging, one for refactoring, one for new features. No more losing your train of thought, no more switching context and forgetting what you were doing. Each chat stays open, each chat stays focused. Next, checkpoint rollback. This one's in preview, but it's a lifesaver. The AI makes a suggestion, you apply it, something breaks, now you can just roll back to before the change. One click, back to normal. No more manual undo chains, no more git stash panic, just instant rollback. This alone saves hours of frustration. Then there's the context, filtering. You know how AI tools sometimes grab sensitive files or they try to read your node modules folder with 50,000 files? Now you can use .ai exclude or .gitignore to tell Gemini what to skip. Privacy stays locked down, performance stays fast. You control what the AI sees. But here's where it gets really interesting. You can attach code snippets to chat. You can attach terminal output to chat. Think about that for a second. You get an error in your terminal, you copy it, you paste it into Gemini chat, it reads the error, it looks at your code, it tells you exactly what's wrong. No more Googling error messages, no more Stack Overflow rabbit holes, just instant answers. Now let me show you the CLI integration because this is the part that blew my mind. Google released updates to the Gemini CLI in August. It now has deep integration with VS Code. What does that mean? You can ask Gemini questions from your terminal, and it knows what file you have open in the editor. It knows what code you have selected. It gives you suggestions that match your context. Then it opens a diff view right in VS Code, side by side, old code on the left, new code on the right. You review it, you accept it or reject it, all without leaving your editor. This is the future of coding. The AI doesn't just throw code at you, it shows you the changes, it explains the changes, you stay in control. All right, here's the part where I need to tell you something important. You need to check out the AI Profit Boardroom. This is where I teach exactly how to use tools like this to grow your agency, your business, your revenue. So we've got members saving hundreds of hours with AI automation. We've got members landing bigger clients because they're faster and better than the competition. The link's in the description. Don't sleep on this. Okay, back to Gemini. Let's talk setup because you need to see how easy this is. Open VS Code, go to extensions, search for Gemini Code Assist, click install, done, restart VS Code, sign in with your Google account, accept the permissions. That's it, you're live. If you're on the enterprise tier, you'll connect your Google Cloud project and enable the APIs. But for most people, the free tier is enough to get started. Now let's talk about how you actually use this thing. Code completion is the basic mode. You start typing, Gemini shows ghost text suggestions in line, you hit tab, it fills in the code, fast, accurate, saves keystrokes, saves brain power. But the real magic is in the commands. You can use slash commands to generate code, type, jot, generate function. To calculate Fibonacci sequence, boom, it writes the function, you get a diff view, you accept or reject. Same thing with affix for bugs, doc for documentation, simplify for refactoring. It's like having a senior developer sitting next to you. The chat mode is where it gets conversational. You can ask, why does this function crash when input is 0? Gemini reads your code, spots the null pointer, explains the fix. You can use the aleph symbol to tag specific files or snippets, tell it to focus on one part of your code base. The more context you give it, the better the answers. Here's a pro tip: use the checkpoint feature when you're experimenting. Make changes, see if they work. If they don't, roll back. No risk, no downtime, just fast iteration. And if you've got sensitive files, set up .ai exclude, keep your secrets safe, keep your API keys private. Gemini won't touch what you tell it to ignore. Now, let's be real for a second. Is this perfect? No. Some users report that CSS suggestions can be hit or miss. Sometimes the extension doesn't connect and you have to restart. Some features are still in preview mode, so they might change. But here's the thing: Google is moving fast. They're updating every month. Gemini 2.5 just rolled out. The model's getting smarter, the features are getting better. If you're not paying attention, you're going to fall behind. Let me tell you what this actually means for your workflow. You're probably spending hours every week on boring stuff, writing boilerplate code, adding documentation, fixing small bugs, refactoring messy functions. That's time you're not spending on the hard problems, the stuff that actually matters. Gemini handles the boring stuff, you focus on the creative stuff. That's how you work 10 times faster. And here's something nobody talks about: the diff view feature changes everything. Most AI tools just dump code in your file. You accept it, you pray it works. Not here. You see exactly what's changing line by line. You understand the changes before you commit them. That means fewer bugs, fewer rollbacks, fewer oh no moments at 3 in the morning. The multiple chat sessions thing is bigger than it sounds. Think about your normal day. You're building a feature, you hit a bug, you need to refactor something, you want to add tests. That's 4 different tasks, 4 different contexts. Before you'd lose track, you'd mix things up. Now you keep each task in its own chat. Each chat remembers the context. You switch between them instantly. Your brain stays organized. Your work stays clean. Here's what blows my mind about the local code base awareness: the AI actually learns your code, not generic code from the internet, your patterns, your naming conventions, your architecture. The more you use it, the better it gets at predicting what you need. It's like training a junior developer. Except this one learns in days, not months. And the source citation feature, that's trust. When Gemini suggests code, it tells you where it came from, what documentation it used, what examples it referenced. You're not flying blind. You can verify, you can learn, you can understand why the AI made that choice. That's the difference between a tool you trust and a tool you guess with. The terminal output integration is a game changer for debugging. You know that moment when something breaks and the error message is 10 lines long? You copy it, you paste it into Google. You click 5 Stack Overflow links, you try 3 solutions, nothing works. Now you paste it into Gemini chat, it reads the error, it reads your code, it tells you the exact line that's broken and exactly how to fix it. 5 minutes instead of 5 hours. Here's what I want you to understand: AI coding assistants aren't a gimmick anymore, they're essential. If you're still coding without one, you're working twice as hard for half the results. Gemini Code assists with VS Code, gives you speed, it gives you accuracy, it gives you control, you write better code in less time, you debug faster, you ship faster. That's more projects, more clients, more money. The developers who learn this stuff now are going to dominate. The ones who ignore it are going to get left in the dust. It's that simple. So here's what you do next. Install Gemini Code Assist today, play with it, break it, see what it can do, then come back and tell me in the comments what you built with it. I read every single comment. I want to hear your wins. I want to hear your struggles. Drop them below. And if you're serious about using AI to scale your business, you need to join the AI Money Lab. It's completely free. Inside you get 50 plus free AI tools, 200 plus ChatGPT prompts for SEO. You'll learn how to make money with AI agents. You get over 1,000 free NAM workflows. You get the full blueprint to generate thousands of leads for free using AI. We've got members who made over $10,000 using ChatGPT. We've got proven case studies. We've got a free community. We've got a free course. Everything you need to win with AI is in there. The link's in the description. Join now. The future of coding is here. Gemini and VS Code just made it real. Don't get left behind. Install it, learn it, use it, and I'll see you in the next one.